Searching for industry information in Business Source Premier. So this is what Business Source Premier looks like. You've got various search boxes, and it's a really great resource to use for searching for journal articles, full of really high quality business journal articles. But in addition to that, you can search for industry or market information in this database as well. It's got a particular company that it provides market research from, and that's called Marketine. So the purpose of this video is just to show how to find industry information using particularly the Marketine reports. So the first thing you should do is type in Marketine. That is the name of the reports that we're going to be searching for. Now you might want to choose a country that you want to find industry information for. So I'm going to search for China. I'm going to add that in as a search term there. Those two are fairly straightforward. You just need the name of the resource, Marketine, and the country you're interested in. The third box is the actual industry you're interested in, and you could perhaps have a bit of thought about this. What is the word you want to be searching for? I'm going to search for retail in this instance. So I'm going to search for retail. So I want industry reports about retail in China produced by the company Marketine. So I'm going to run a search and see what we find. And immediately there is a report there, food and grocery retail in China. As well as industry reports, there are going to be company reports as well, company reports coming up. So this is a report on this particular company. If you want to narrow down your results to just the industry reports, select there where it says industry profiles, and it will narrow down your results to just industry reports. So this is now Marketine industry profile, retail for food and grocery, there's apparel, and so on. And you can read the report in full by clicking on the PDF there. I'm going to change my search slightly. I'm going to change to a completely different country. So you can do that easily enough. I'm just going to write France now. I'm going to write France, and I'm going to do exactly the same search, but I've changed the country. So I'm going to run a search there. And you'll see now we're getting similar reports, but for France, which is great. You build up a list of all your searches that you've done, so you can return to any earlier search if you want to at any stage by using this list here. But you can get rid of that list if you want to, if it takes up too much of your screen, just by clicking where it says search history, and you'll lose that list from your screen. And at any point, if you want to, you can click where it says search history and you'll get your list back again. I'm going to just change this search one more time, and I'm going to search in this instance for a different industry, and I'm going to search for technology, but again in France, and I'm going to run a search there, and we'll get some different reports here. So Marketine industry profile, IT services in France, but notice that's 2015. This one here is 2019. They are not automatically in date order. If you want to change them from relevance to date order, you can do so by changing it there, date newest, and then you will get a more recent set of results. Again, we've got company profiles in here, so I'm going to narrow it down on the left hand side here by selecting industry profiles there to get rid of the company reports there. We've now got a report here, the industry profile, IT hardware in France. I can click there where it says PDF full text, and it will take me through to the report. And now you can get a sense of what these reports actually look like. So this is a report, and there will be a summary near the top, an executive summary. They are big reports, and these are now the contents, and you can see the kind of information that they have available to you: the value of the market, competitive landscape, market value forecast, degree of rivalry, who are the leading players. You know, there's a load of sections to a report like this. They're great reports. If there is a Marketine report in Business Source Premier, it's a really useful one to use.